Hey everyone, here just with a quick update as we're hoping to see our TNT position come to fruition here. Working it hard here, and it's going to be a battle right to the very end. Just thought it would be fun to record this as we're working through here. We're looking for our 497 to clear. It's coming right around and is so we're getting into a change in position. It's a very exciting time. It actually went to 496. So yeah, I'm doing what I do in this kind of situation, which is to try to test some different positions, see what they're doing through here. I'm going to try that, like in this range. 9. So got in here right as it was picking up speed, so pretty exciting. Let's see, 493. All right, there it's going. There we go. Woohoo! So you got to do the right thing. Got to do the right thing. Woohoo! Yeah. Alrighty. So that's it. Just wanted to come here and show you that that was happening. So we're excited. Get that one position back. Now, if it feels like continuing, then we got some of the 530's that would be super fantastic, wonderful, glorious to happen as well. But we're just happy to see that one happen. So very, very cool. Hey, we're continuing. You know what? Not going to stop there then. So you're just going to kind of watch this a little bit. I still have it on Binance. Yes, you should be able to see this. So yeah, if it hit 500, it might be able to continue. So our biggest position at 530. Now remember adjusting those around, trying to decide exactly which way to go on them. So it's very encouraging. Bitcoin currently sitting at 38.59, hovering right around that average we keep talking about. It's about 91 million 24-hour volume. So I love it when this stuff starts to move quickly. It's nerve-wracking as it can possibly be, but it's exciting, and it's like, gosh, should I go in again? Should I not go in again? We're looking at our stock RSI is way towards the high side, but it's sustaining up there. I mean, this whole process it did up there. Our volume is increasing. It's not guaranteed to keep increasing. And our MACD is, it's even so, sporadic through here because of all the Morse code. It's tough to even read exactly what its rhythm is. So this is very unusual, which would tell me that it's not going to stay up there forever. But I really want it to keep going from there, and it kind of looks like it might do so. So what are we thinking might happen here? It's so great because, I was watching the volume just go down and down on TNT, but I was like, there's a reason that I chose those positions. It felt like that was the right thing to do. You go into that whole pattern of questioning. You go look back and it's like, oh, okay, I remember, I was thinking this one, this, and I look back at that, et cetera, et cetera. So if you zoom out to see what it's been doing here, now it isn't looking like such a ginormous move for it to hit the 540's, 550's, 560's. I'm thinking it might be kind of cool to go back in. I mean, that's way up there on the ledge. But as you saw, when we break it down here, we're here compared to what is done through here. And this was just over the past few days. Just over the past few days. And, you know, we had up here, a little bit of a dip, an extreme up, leveling, but we're kind of seeing another up happen there. What does the volume look like? The volume looks like it's tracking upwards as well. Now that's over a several day glance, but I mean, it looks like we're breaking the, you know, this lull of a pattern, and let's see if it breaks. Well, I don't know if I would expect it to break 100 BTC. These are pretty small positions in comparison. Yeah, now this, I mean, you might think that this looks like it's contrary to what people might advise you to do. I like to try to catch things on an uptrend when it feels like it's the right one to do. It is kind of funny because we actually see a little bit of the arch happening here. This would look more spiky if our volume was higher. So I think it's still going to go up. I do. Everybody's waiting to see what everybody else is going to do. It's great. I love it. Okay, I think the reason I'm staying out of this range is I think that there's a little dip here before it goes up for the next one. I see that, you know, boom, 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 and then a change. So I'm still kind of thinking it hasn't done the change yet. I think it's going to swoop up. I just think it's going to come down first. And Stock RSI is starting to show that that's a possibility. I don't think that it has to decrease in volume here, folks. Somebody's got to make the first move. Okay, so we're going to go in at 493. There's the swoop, so it's going to keep going up. Well, I think it's going to keep going up. It kind of depends on what Mr. 497 decides to do. He might move that out of the way and it'll go shooting down a little bit. 490. Let's try to be that 497 fella. Tricky. You know what? I think I'm going to let it do what it's going to do. I got to go with my instinct as things are going along, and that's what it's telling me to do. Yeah, I'm going to let it do what it's going to do. It's coming in a little bit too flat for me. So, thank you for watching. That was exciting. That was fun. See you next time. Archangel Alts out.